Good morning, everybody. Jason Baker here at the Jason Baker team. I hope you're having an amazing day. Myself and part of my sales team just got back actually at 2 a.m. this morning, and here it is 8 a.m. and we're up, we're rip roaring, ready to go. We're powering up with very little sleep and lots of caffeine. So I just wanted to go over every morning on our team. What we do is since we're part of the Place platform, we go over things to set the rudder or pace for the day. So we call it power up. And so what we do basically is we go over what we're grateful for today. I'm gonna do some of this and kind of show you what a typical morning here looks like. So 8:45 to 9:15 in the morning, we're doing stuff to improve our mindset. It doesn't matter if it's just real estate. The kind of things that we're going to talk about can be used, industry-wide. Just change the name from real estate to insurance sales or something else. So we're going to go over what we're grateful for today when my team comes in here in just a little bit. Everybody's going to go around the room. They're gonna talk about that, which is awesome. Because, here's the thing. When there's gratitude, you can't have a negative thought while you're in a state of gratitude. You can't have a negative thought, right? We're going to talk about wins. We had so many wins in 2021, thanks to our friends, our past clients, future clients, people that we know, all of the hard work we've done, outbound dialing and through all of our marketing and everything else. So we don't talk about all of our little wins, but it's one of those things. But we definitely, are super grateful for the year that we had in 2021, and I hope you had a great year too. We go over our core values each morning, okay, which is growth, okay? It's important to continually, no matter what business you're in, it's important to continually look at that. What are your core values? What are you showing? What is are you just saying them, or are you living them out every day in your business or your business model, right? So today I'm going to talk about with the team the loyalty gap. So a National Association of Realtors survey, would you use a real estate agent again? So 80 to 90% of the people say yes, they would. But then, when they actually went and transacted again, only 15 to 20% of the people, actually did use that. So as a real estate agent or as a team leader like myself, where I'm trying to, help my team, rather than putting my name on everything, I'm trying to help the agents on my team, create an amazing life that I have. I've been thinking this last week. What I was thinking about 3 or 4 years ago is coming true today. And I'm like, I was just sitting there. We were in Vegas this last week at the production retreat. And I'm just sitting there and I'm going, I could never dream to be living the life that I'm living right now. And yeah, I have bad days and everything like that, but I'm just so grateful for that. But anyway, why do they only 15 to 20% of the time use their agent when 80 to 90% said they would? It's simple, and it's a loyalty gap. It's because, very simply, we're not reaching out to them in a logical manner. In other words, so many of us will close a transaction, never ever talk to the person ever again. Not everybody, but some people. So why does it exist in the industry? What can we do to solve the problem? And what is one thing that you or we could do today to help solve this problem in our world? And then also, of course, so we're gonna go over some of these solutions, but will you actually do something? I don't know. That remains to be seen, right? So, without getting too much into this, because I don't want to make it 25-minute long, because I'm about ready to do this again with my team. You have to come up with a better way, and we can all improve, right? If you say you can't, that's probably a little bit of ego creeping in there. You have to figure out a logical manner, both through tech and through the phone, to reach out to the people who you know and love, have used you in the past. These should be warm calls. These aren't cold calls. And you have to figure out a logical manner of how to do that, okay? How many times am I going to reach out to my past clients this year, and exactly how am I going to do that? And it can't be willy-nilly, and the task has to come up, right? So we're very lucky that we use the Brivity platform, and we're able to, that stuff was all automated, from postcards to market reports to texts and reminders to call, emails, all of that stuff, right? Inviting them to client events and all that stuff is pre-programmed in there by our admin team. So that's really automated for us. And of course, we don't have a robot to outbound call yet for us, maybe, next month, right? But that's one of the things that we do. So hopefully you'll begin to think about this. If you ever want to come to one of our power ups in the morning time and just hang out and just see what we're doing and just learn, I don't care where you work or where you're at. We're not weird like that. We believe that the whole entire industry needs more listings, and so if we can help people get more listings, we believe it solves all the problem locally. I heard over the last 3 or 4 days at this event that making more contacts every day solves every kind of production problem you could ever have. And so collectively, if I can help train people in our Missoula, Ravalli County, Mineral County, Lake County area that we work to figure out how to find more listings, well, we're going to have a lot of happy buyers, and I think collectively that's a good thing. So we'd be honored to have you come visit if you want to. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. I want you to think about today, where can you improve your outreach to your past clients or the people that you know? How can you improve that? If you need some help with that or want to talk about what I do, I'm happy to share. I'm not weird like that. So anyway, I hope you have an abundant day. I'm going to quit gabbing because you probably fell asleep 2 minutes ago. Have a great day. Let me know if I can help you in any way. Thanks.